Himachal News Bulletin. And in this bulletin, you will get today's all the big updates of Himachal Pradesh in one go. So starting today's bulletin and moving to the first news, now half a kilo of cheap tea leaves will also be available every month in the government ration depot. In the ration depots of Himachal Pradesh, now consumers will get cheap ration along with a half a kg of branded tea leaves every month. This tea will be cheaper by rupees 20 as compared to the market price. Food Supply Corporation has prepared its proposal and sent it to the state government for approval. Consumers can be given 2 packets of 250 grams per ration card. Branded tea is getting 250 grams for rupees 110 in the market. Food Supply Corporation will give it to consumers between rupees 90 to 95. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, preparing to open school. Education Department has made micro plan. In Himachal Pradesh, the Education Department's micro plan to open schools for the students in organized class is ready. Classes will be organized according to the number of the students in the school. Students will be called in a room only in 50% capacity. Students will be seated leaving a bench. There will be ban on other gathering activities including prayer meetings. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, Home Minister Amit Shah assessed the condition of Himachal politics from Suresh Bharadwaj. Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah inquired about the politics of Himachal Pradesh from Minister Suresh Bharadwaj in New Delhi on Tuesday. Shah asked what was the atmosphere like in Himachal regarding the elections. He also took an update on the situation of the opposition in this state. The talks between the two leaders took about half an hour. Senior State Minister and MLA from Shimla, Suresh Bharadwaj, will also meet some union ministers and RSS functionaries in New Delhi on Wednesday. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, vigilance investigation completed, preparing to file charge sheet. The ongoing vigilance inquiry in the matter of granting permission to non-agriculturists to purchase land in Himachal Pradesh under Section 118 has been completed. With the completion of the investigation, the filing of charge sheet is being finalized and soon the charge sheet will be presented in the local sessions court. According to the sources, on the basis of the facts found in the investigation, 4 people including former Chief Secretary and former State Election Commissioner Partha Sarthi Mitra can be made accused. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, 2 judges of Himachal High Court transferred. Mohammad Rafiq will be the Chief Justice. The Supreme Court Collegium has recommended the transfer of 2 judges from the Himachal High Court. At the same time, the judge in the Rajasthan High Court has been transferred to the Himachal High Court. It has been recommended to transfer Himachal High Court Justice Sureshwar Thakur and Justice Anup Chitkara to Punjab and Haryana High Court. Supreme Court Collegium has recommended transfer of Judge Sabina of Rajasthan High Court to Himachal High Court. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, JP Nadda said AIIMS Himachal will get equipped with the state-of-the-art health facilities in 2022. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya took a review meeting of AIIMS Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh with officials in the special presence of Bharatiya Janata Party National President and former Health Minister JP Nadda and Union Sports and Youth Affairs, Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur. Moving on in today's bulletin and talking about the corona situation in the state. 2 more infected died in Himachal. 255 new positive cases, including 39 students. 2 more corona positive patients died in Himachal on Tuesday. In these, a 78-year-old man in district Kangra and a 75-year-old man from the same district have died. At the same time, 255 new cases of corona have been registered in the last 24 hours in this state. There have been 66 new cases in Mandi district. Out of these, report of 39 students of a hostel of a private educational institution located in Dharampur alone has come positive. So far, 82 students and staff have come under the grip of this virus. The death toll of corona in the state has reached 3,639. So far, there has been 2,17,403 cases in the state of COVID-19. Out of these, 2,12,033 have been cured. Corona active cases have gone up to 1,715 in the state. Out of this, there are 194 active cases in Bilaspur district, 35 in Chamba, 403 in Hamirpur, 393 in Kangra, Kinnor 9, Kullu 31, 13 in Lahore Sipti, 347 in Mandi, 184 in Shimla, 3 in Sirmaur, Solan 24 and Una 79. During the last 24 hours, 162 patients have been cured from COVID-19 and samples of 11,002 people have been taken for corona examination. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, Virendra Kanwar said 1,000 crore rupees will be spent on Manrega in Himachal. Himachal Pradesh Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister Virendra Kanwar said that 1,000 crore rupees will be spent on various development works under Manrega in the financial year 2021-2022. The target is to earn 250 working days under Manrega. The best development block will also be awarded after assessing the development. National Mobile Surveillance System will be started in all village panchayats this year. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, 8,000 multitask workers will be recruited in government schools of the state. The Education Department will bring a proposal in the cabinet meeting. 8,000 posts of multitask workers will be filled in government schools of Himachal Pradesh. 4,000 posts will be filled on the recommendation of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur, and 4,000 posts will be filled on the basis of applications. The Education Department will bring a proposal in this regard in the meeting of the Himachal Cabinet to be held on September 24 under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur. This budget announcement of the Chief Minister, which has been hanging for the last several months, is now expected to complete soon. The proposal has been approved by the Finance Department. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, HPU Shimla will start BTech examinations from September 30th. BHM admission list released. Himachal Pradesh University Shimla has released the schedule of BTech second semester, fourth semester and sixth semester examinations and uploaded on the website. The MTTM Department of the State University has released the list for admission in the first year of bachelor degree course BHM. The students involved in this have given time till September 30 to deposit the prescribed fees. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, 140 LED screens will be installed across the state for the program of Union Minister Piyush Goyal. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur on Tuesday reviewed the preparations for launching the third and fourth phase of Prime Minister Food Security Scheme for the poor in Shimla. The Chief Minister said that MLAs would attend the function from any place in their respective assembly constituencies in the sections where the model code of conduct has been implemented. Due to the by-elections of Panchayati Raj institutions, there will be no celebrations. 140 LED screens will be installed at all major places across the state. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, weather display screens will be installed in 5 cities of Himachal Pradesh. Tourists and local people will get the latest weather information. Weather display screens will be installed at Baba Balaknath Temple in Hamirpur and Chamunda Temple in Kangra, including Shimla, the capital of Himachal Pradesh. For the convenience of the tourists and the local people, work has been started on the scheme to provide 1 week forecast of the weather. This facility will be provided in the first phase in the religious and the tourist areas of the state. Weather updates will also be added to the display screens installed by the government. Moving ahead to the last news of today's bulletin, High Court cancels appointments of 2 civil judges as illegal, warns Commission. The Himachal Pradesh High Court has quashed the appointments of 2 civil judges, holding them illegal. Justice Tarlok Singh Chauhan and Justice Sandeep Sharma, by disposing a petition challenging the appointments, ruled quashing the appointments of civil judges Vivek Kayat and Akansha Dogra. Both the judges were HPJS officers of 2013 batch. So that's it for today's bulletin, guys. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.